This one's based on a Kashmiri melody of love and the messages of, going and celebrating Kashmir. चिनारों के घरों बोलते हैं इस गाने को. मेरे कपड़ों पे भी चिनार है आज थोड़ा बहुत. So I hope you'll sing with me. It's an upbeat song. Please clap. We don't have a full band, okay? Let's start. Come on!
Now sing. Roshewalla yaro dilbaro. Roshewalla yaro dilbaro. Chalo chinaro ke gharo. Roshewalla yaro dilbaro. Roshewalla yaro dilbaro. Chalo chinaro ke gharo. कश्मीरी है एक्चुअली. कितना हैप्पी है ना. कश्मीरी लोग बड़े हैप्पी भी होते हैं यार. There's a lot of happiness. We are mountain people. We are ये गाना ना कश्मीरी है एक्चुअली. कितना हैप्पी है ना. कश्मीरी लोग बड़े हैप्पी भी होते हैं यार. There's a lot of happiness. We are mountain people. We are rich with culture and happiness. I just think that a lot of that needs to be brought out. ठीक है.
We have time for
We have time for that song?
One more track and the one that's
But
making
then Varkha
waves.
has to sing with me or jive
I
with me.
can't. Have you heard my foghorn voice?
That's
I can't.
okay.
I'm tone deaf.
Please,
But
please.
they'll all sing. Let's go for it.
Huh. Will you sing Hukus Bukus?
Of course they will. Yes.
Who wants to listen to Hukus Bukus?
Yes. Come on, Bangalore.
Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's
What's
do this. No
with
time
you
waste.
guys? Let's go for it.
Yes. So this song is my bachpan ka gana, guys. My grandmom used to sing these for me, and I just want to relive my childhood. So I made this song, and it became the song that did a lot for me as an artist. Hukus bukus telivan sukus, onnum batuk lutum de. Hukus bukus telivan sukus, onnum batuk lutum de. Shwas kich kich vamano, brahmanzaran poin chukum tekis dekha bani kyo ho. Hukus bukus telivan sukus, onnum batuk lutum de. Shwas kich kich vamano, brahmanzaran poin chukum tekis dekha bani kyo ho. Come on, this is childing wala gana yaar, you can't say it yaar. Come on. Come on, ये मेरा स्टेप है यार, जो खड़े हैं वो तो कर लो. Whoever knows. Pishtu pishtu praryo ho khud ko van, tor kyo ho wo luth papre pan. Pishtu pishtu praryo ho khud ko van, tor kyo ho wo luth papre pan. Sukaman cho kuth ko taran, kotar pithi markan. Zoon chai kinda tar. Hukus bukus telivan sukus, mohabbat lutum de. Shwas kich kich vamano, brahmanzaran poin chukum tekis dekha bani kyo ho. In the verse previous to that, there's some talk about cat. Bishtu bishtu praryo means, oh cat, shoo 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 away. I know you might be cat people, lot of them here, but this was done in just pyar se. Everybody in Kashmir also loves cats. Zoon maj zooni, angan myangan, zoita ji. Zoon maj zooni, angan